In this tutorial, I'm going to show that how to ready your Windows 11 for using any custom theme. First, you have to download this software. Links are given in the description box. Unzip this software and then you have to cut this folder and go to C drive and paste it here. Okay, now right click on this tool and click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Okay, then check these two boxes and then click on install. So it will record reboot. Please click yes to reboot your computer. Okay, after reboot your system is ready to use any custom theme. So let me show you that. Here is a custom theme. Go to C drive and go to Windows folder, go to resources folder and themes folder and paste it here. Okay, to apply the theme we have to go to this SecureUXTheme folder and right click on this theme tool and run as administrator and then click on yes. Okay, in here you can see this theme list. Just choose the custom theme and click on apply. So it will apply the theme. Okay, so theme has been applied. So this is it. This is how you can apply any custom theme and ready your system for using any custom theme. I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.